Are you a business owner or entrepreneur feeling overwhelmed by the endless marketing channels? Juggling social media, email, and your website, but seeing little return? You're not alone, and it doesn't have to be this way. My name is Don Ryder from HM Associates. I've developed Omnichannel Marketing on a budget, a practical, hands-on guide specifically for SMEs. We'll show you how to build a unified marketing strategy that delivers real impact without overspending, and all in under 50 minutes. Across 5 modules, you'll learn to automate repetitive tasks, repurpose one piece of content to work 5 times harder, and use partnerships to grow your reach. We'll include real-world case studies like a fitness SME that boosted their ROI by 30% just by using these exact methods. You'll get the same worksheets and templates I use to help businesses grow with confidence. Stop wasting time and money and start scaling efficiently. Enroll today and let's simplify your strategy